Hello everyone, I'm Chris. My friends call me RT, and this is RT Cooks It. Today we're having a bit of fun with a deep fryer. I got a cauldron of deliciousness here. We're gonna get set up today. We're deep frying baby back ribs, and we're gonna deep fry some Twinkies. We call them heart attack on a stick. So deep fried ribs it is. So what we have is some baby back ribs. I've gone ahead and cut up some of them. I just bought segments. The best way I've found myself is I get a piece of paper towel and I just sort of pick a corner, pick a little edge, and the dry paper towel is going to get the membrane and allow you to pull it up. So you just got to take your time and just slowly pull it apart. So there's the membrane off the ribs perfectly. We're going to take these ribs, cut them into individuals. We'll get these cut up, get them ready, and remember, we're deep frying these. So we'll take the ribs, we're just going to put them into one side of the shaker here. We'll take some of the chicken batter, chicken coating, spread it across. The longer it sits, the better opportunity you have to put more on. So we'll just seal the shaker up, give her a good shake. We'll let those ribs sit. They're going to bring the moisture. The moisture is going to absorb a lot of the coating, and we'll come back, say in about 10 minutes, and we'll give them another shake and get them ready for deep frying. So we'll set these aside, and the next thing we're going to prepare is the Twinkie. So we have a Twinkie in a package with a stick, frozen solid, simple pancake mix. We'll just get some of that. Recipe says, but what I'm going for is a certain consistency. I want it to be a pretty loose batter. We don't want it too heavy, too thick. It'll just end up burning. So we'll add some water to that, and we'll give it a stir. Give this a good stir, mix this up. Swirl it around. That's a pretty good, I think that's a good consistency. I'm happy with that. Pour the pancake mix into here now, so when I go to dip, it's nice and easy to get the Twinkie fully covered. So we'll pour that in. We're going to go ahead and just put this right in the fridge. We're going to go ahead and check these ribs now. So here you can see the moisture hasn't quite taken all that coating here, but here it definitely has taken all the coating and absorbed it. We'll leave that. I'm going to put that in the fridge, and we'll let that set up. We're going to get the oil started. The oil is going to take a little bit to warm up, maybe 4 or 5 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and get the burner on, and we'll get it started. So what we're going to do is we're going to get these ribs right here. We're not ready to put them in yet. I just want to show them off a little bit because I do enjoy this deep fry here. So we got some ribs, and you can see that the moisture is starting to show through again. We're maybe 10 minutes in there we have the ribs. The ribs are basically ready to go. We have the ribs here. They're all well coated and ready to be deep fried. We'll put in about half. We'll just gently set it in. They're going to go for a nice cook, and the temperature is going to drop. Make sure we shake them apart a little bit. Big vat of deliciousness. I love this. I love this deep fryer. It is so nice to use. So we got all the ribs in there. Like I said, we want to keep agitating and make sure they're not sticking to the bottom. These are going to take 5 or 8 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. Give this a nice little spin. Give that a nice little jolt. Move it around. We're going to leave those ribs in there cook. Okay, welcome back. We have the ribs out. I have the pancake batter here. I'm gonna 6 Twinkies. There might be a little bit of we might have a wrestling match at the end of it to see who gets the last ones. But we'll just pull these out. So I believe, looking at this, I think I can fit 3 Twinkies in at a time. Oil's perfect, 360. So we'll get the Twinkies in, get them all sunk down, and now we'll just put them in one at a time. Give them a little spin. Get some excess off, hold it here. There we go. They're not going to take long. We're going to deal with these 3, and then we'll do the other 3. Get these flipped over. Oh, they're browning up nicely. Look at them. Perfect, perfect, perfect. They look delicious. I will get all 3 of these all at once. Nice and gentle. We'll just set them right over here on the drip tray. Get the oil off, Set them in here on the drip tray. Let them cool off. We'll get right into it, right straight to the ribs. And the ribs are got, yeah, they're juicy, they're crunchy, they're, I don't know, they're not fall apart like you might have baby backs, but they're quite delicious. And I think I'm gonna have the Twinkie before the poutine, not for any other reason, but it's next in line, so I just as well have a bite. And I think it's cooled off enough now. Yeah, no, I need a paper towel. Now, I seem to never have a napkin when I need it, but that is absolutely delicious. Now,
Absolutely delicious.
the Twinkies, the ribs.